Hey there, Workshop Whisperer fans. Rachel Sheldrick here, and I help auto repair shops to achieve business success. Today, I want to talk to you about transparency with your team around your financials. I have lots of auto repair business owners who either aren't sharing their financials to any degree, or some who are tentative and hesitant to do it because they believe that that's not information for their team members to know. But here's the thing, if you want the financial outcomes for your auto repair shop to improve, then you need to have something for your team members to buy into. And when you don't share, they won't care. So tie your financial outcomes to the way that you pay your team. So particularly with the service advisor role, this is something that I'm working closely with my engine room members, my 12-month high performance and mentoring program, because this service advisor role, as we see it more and more in independent shops in Australia, needs to be more incentivized than the way it has traditionally been, which is more of a glorified receptionist. So you need somebody in the service advisor role that is going to sell for you. So it's a sales role, but not an unethical sales role. That's the difference. Now, if the person in the service advisor role doesn't understand what difference they can make to your financial results, then they're not going to care if they don't upsell, that extra work on that job. The same with your technicians. They're not going to go to the bother in their mind of writing down everything that needs to be done if they don't understand how having a higher average repair order contributes to the overall performance of the business. So be transparent with your team is the point that we're trying to get across. You don't need to show them how much money you send off to the bank account every week, but what they do need to understand are things around the effective labour rate, the hours that aren't charged out, how much that is costing you. They need to understand the average repair order. They need to understand your gross profit, how much it costs you to run the business, so what your break-even point is, and how their particular role, individualized to them, can make a difference for the entire business outcome. So remember, just as I said a few minutes ago, if you don't share, they won't care. I hope you found that helpful, and if you're not already a member of my free Facebook group, Under the Hood with Rachel Sheldrick, make sure you click the link in this post, and I'll see you again tomorrow.